Welcome to Oil Tech Pro. Today we'll be continuing our series on the rotary drilling operation. We have one of the critical processes in the rotary drilling operation, which is the rotating system. For the rotating system, we have at the top of the ladder the swivel. The swivel is a very critical piece of device that receives the Kelly and runs it down to the rotary table. The Kelly usually a square or most times hexagonal pipe system end that runs from the swivel and gets down to the rotary table. The Kelly is unique because it comes with the Kelly bushing, attached to the Kelly bushing, and the master bushing that are gears that provides rotation on the rotary table. We have our rotary table, which is at the floor of the drilling rig, providing that rotation that is required. Okay. Now, of course, most swivels are connected to a hook at the top of the drilling mast. Okay, and then you have your top drive. The top drive are more advanced and used for much more larger drilling rigs or more complex rigs, replacing the swivel because it's more advanced, more mechanically equipped to handle rotations, providing a powerful system of rotating that starts from the top and also supplies at the rotary table, or complementing the rotation at the rotary table through the bushings and the master bushings that are gears that are moving, rotating the Kelly. All right, and so we have slips. These slips are usually mechanical devices which we use to hook on our Kelly, okay, to break pipes, drill pipes and drill collars as the case may be, so we can attach them to the drilling string and then run them into the hole. And so we have the drill pipes and the drill collars. The drill pipes usually 30 feet ended pipes with a relatively smaller weight or thickness than the drill collar. The drill collar are much larger, providing the needed weight on bit, okay, so that the bit can attach itself, because the drill collars are usually very thick and very heavy, heavier than the normal drill pipes, with providing that weight on bit, so the bit can rest on the formation, and the rotation from the top drive and from the rotary table can enable effective cutting of our drill bits. All right, so drill pipes usually comes with 30 feet, usually around 30 feet, and they can be as long as depending on the depth of your formation. Okay, and then you have your drill bits. The drill bits comes, you could have your cone bit, your roller bit, your diamond bit, and your PDCs, which are the polycrystalline bits. Okay, based on the type of formation, whether they are soft formations, hard formations, we have various bits that performs different functions on our drilling rig. Okay, and so they also come in various shapes and sizes based on where you are. So if you're drilling at the top, maybe you are the surface casing, of course you're going to use drill bits that are 24 inches in their diameter. Okay, and when you get down to the surface, you can have 958 and 8.5 inch diameter drill bits. Okay, that will give you the size of hole that you need, so you can be able to run your casings and other downhole well completions that you have to carry out. Okay, so these are critical pieces of equipment that is needed, and they are all classified within the rotating system in a typical rotary drilling rig. Okay, from the swivel down to the Kelly, down to your rotary table, and then your drill pipes and your drill collars down to your drill bits. We call this your typical drill string. Okay, and so this is very critical in your typical drilling operation. Join us In our next class, we'll be looking at another important system, and we'll be dealing critically on the drill pipes and how to optimize our drilling operations. Okay, so I hope to catch you in that session. But in case you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have not subscribed to our Facebook channel, what are you waiting for? So you can enjoy more of our classes. So do so, like, share, and we'll meet you in our next class. Catch you.